Well, just a little bit ago, Jillian Lopez showed us how to make a refreshing Long Island iced tea. Well, if you're ready for the perfect summer pick-me-up, you may want to try Limoncello.
The days of buying Limoncello are over. This recipe is simple and can make up to 56 servings. In a large glass pitcher, combine 2 cups of lemon peel. You can use a vegetable peeler after scrubbing the lemons. Then add in 1 bottle of vodka to give it a nice kick. Cover tightly and let it stand for 10 days. Then strain the mixture and discard the lemon peel. Then add the simple syrup. Okay, let's backtrack. To make this syrup, combine 3 cups of sugar, followed by 2.5 cups of water. Mix it up, bring just to a boiling, stirring to dissolve the sugar, and then cool to room temperature. Okay, now we are up to speed, and it's ready to be poured into the pitcher with the vodka and lemon mixture. Stir it up with a wooden spoon and chill overnight. When you are ready to serve, you can funnel the finished product into glass bottles. And now you have your own homemade limoncello. Cheers to that!
Well, that's a great poolside sip or party edition. This recipe comes from Better Homes and Gardens. For more great tips and recipes, check out bhg.com.